Hey guys, it's Trey back again with another video. And in today's video, we will be continuing on with our programming fundamentals playlist. In the last video, we were introduced to loops. So if you didn't watch that video, please watch that video. Loops are very important, and it's a very important concept that you should know. I tried to break it down as much as possible. Yep, if you haven't seen that video, go check it out. Leave some comments if something you didn't understand and all that good stuff. In today's video, I want to show you guys some tricks that programmers use with these loops. Okay, so I kind of wrote it out very verbose here, but there are some tricks that we use to kind of help us out. Remember, in the last video, we talked about the three parts to a for loop. We have our initialized variable, then we have our stop condition and our increment value, right? So as you can see here, I added in this three. I hard coded this three in here. So I did that because we have three values in our array. But let's say we didn't know how many values we had in this array. There are times where you're not going to know how many values you have in an array. So in moments like those, you can't just hard code a three because you don't know. There could be 100, 200, 10,000 values in this array. You wouldn't know. So the way you get around that is the language JavaScript has a way where you can get the length of the array. Okay. So the way you can do this is by writing something like this. So we have our array here, right? And let's say I wanted to loop through every value in this array. So I'm going to start at 0 because we know, I mean, regardless of the array, we want to start at the 0 position. All right. But where we want to, the position we want to stop at, we don't know. The way we can get that is by taking the name of our array here. So I'm going to say for array, and then I'm going to type dot, and then I'm going to say length. All right. So this is a way to get the length of this array. So we know the length of for array is 3 because we can look at it and tell. But some arrays you may not know the length. So when you don't know the length, or I would say regardless if you know the length or not, I would still write it out this way where we are getting the length directly from the array. Okay, so for array dot length. All right, and that will get us the length of the array. As you can see here, gets or sets the length of the array. Now that we have the length of the array, there's another trick with the increment value. So as you can see here, we're saying I plus 1, and then we're setting I to that. So we're assigning I plus 1 to I. All right, there's a shorthand way of doing this exact thing. The way you can do that is, I'm going to erase the entire thing. What we can do is we can say I plus plus. And this is a shorthand way of writing I equals I plus 1. This and this are the exact same thing. They do the exact same thing, okay? So that is a shorthand way of writing it, and that's two tricks that basically um, allow you to write a for loop. All right, and this is probably how you're going to see it. If you Google for loops, this is probably what you're going to see, this kind of syntax, because this is just an easier way of writing it, and it's easier to understand what's going on here. And you also get the added value of not knowing the length of the array. All right, so that's pretty much it for this video. This is just a quick one. I just wanted to show you the the more standard way of writing a for loop so that you aren't hard coding numbers in there. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Other than that, this works exactly the same. I'm gonna go ahead and run it again just to show you. As you can see, it still comes out 11, 21, and 31. So that's pretty much it for this one. In the next video, we'll go over while and let's do while and do while loops. So that's it for this one. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe to the channel and all that jazz, and I will see you guys in the next video.